Hello, how are you? Thank you so much. I felt the need for me to do this video. I recently went to a school and a girl asked me, when you were young, did you know that you'll be the youngest PhD holder in mathematics? Did you even know that you can work in the university? And I was like, oh my goodness. And I was very honest with them because it is no. For me, when I was growing up, I never knew that this would happen to me. I had not seen a mathematician beyond the teachers who were teaching me in school. And those who know me know that for me, I wanted to, if anything was to happen, I wanted to be a policeman, an army person, because I saw the children where parents were policemen doing so well in our village. And even now, those who know me really, I wouldn't mind going back to work as a police, probably in the army as a cadet or something like that. But that is beyond the point. The point I'm making is that for me, it was kind of an accident to be where I am. There's nobody who came to talk to me to introduce all these beautiful courses, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The mathematics I knew was just the 1+1 in school, the finding the area, and so many other things that I used to do, but I didn't know how can I apply these things in something that will bring solution, because scientists, our work is to bring solution to something affecting mankind. Talk about climate change, how do we bring solution? Talk about diseases, how do we bring solution? We know in Kenya we have an increase in the rate of non-communicable illness. How do I bring solution? I didn't know. And let me tell you, even when I went to the university and I pursued a bachelor's of science in education, maths, and chemistry, I for sure, even those mathematics that I used to learn in class that show that root of 2 is irrational, I didn't know how to apply them, how to, and let me tell you, and that is why for me I'm very passionate to go to any school and encourage young people, and not only to tell them the beauty of being an engineer, the beauty of being a mathematician, but to actually discuss with them areas in which they can apply mathematics. I apply mathematics in HIV. I didn't know that mathematics could be applied in diseases. I was very naive to say, and I tell people, and I even told those young girls who were asking me that question, it's kind of an accident that Purity found herself in this line. It was a good accident because nobody had told me that there is something fascinating about mathematics. There's something fascinating. I live with an engineer, and the things he does here in the house, I'm always like, oh my goodness, I wish, and I feel all of us have a big and a bigger responsibility, not only to mention STEM because it's fashionable, not only to say we are working on areas related to STEM. We in counties government, you have seen people rolling out programs to encourage girls to take courses in STEM and careers in STEM, not just to tell them, not only to write those policies, but to ensure we actually give them a different perspective of what STEM is. When you listen to the Western people talking about how they used to play with dolls, I didn't have a doll when I was growing up. For us, is either you make a baby, you borrow your mom's shuka and you carry. That was it. These things that I've seen here in Nairobi, they were not there. So sometimes you don't even have to give those examples about big toys. Use the things that they are doing and let them understand. Also look at the challenges they are facing. Many counties are experiencing drought. Show them how being a scientist can bring solution to this problem. I tell you, if someone told me that Purity, we were poor, even food was a problem. If someone told me and showed me a way the things I was learning in class could help me solve a problem, a big problem like that, of hunger, of not having water for irrigation, and so many things, I tell you, it would have created curiosity in me. I would be more creative even now. And so I'm telling everybody that as we talk about STEM in women, And of course, few women are in those courses. When I got my PhD, and everyone was wow, 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 wow. Actually, everybody, and even if you listen to the interviews, you realize there was a question that kept cropping up, coming up. Why mathematics? You are a woman. And it just reminded me how purity did not really look like a person who could make history in this country. And so for me, I want everybody to go to your villages. You've done these courses, go and encourage those young people to know there's something beyond where they come from, these possibilities of them becoming anything, that they should not allow themselves to be defined by their villages. Tell people that I mean, my CV will not read purity came from Berere or anything like that. It will not say that purity went to school without shoes. It will not have all those things. So the employer does not even care about those things. So you have to remind these young girls and young boys that yes, you have come from this family. There's something beyond that. You want to be successful? Yes, you can, because all those are possibility. And for me, that is the message I have for every young person. Thank you so much.